There's the toolbox. Both of you, come on, help me break it open. I don't think it's like that. Get up, hurry! It's getting away. We have to catch it.
Huh?
What?
Let's get the grimy toolbox.
How? Oh my goodness! It's for time too. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Yo, really?
Boss battle?
Whoa!
Oh.
Ha!
No! I got pinned.
Beginning? Are you kidding me?
I'll wait for you.
You'll never get away with this.
This is quiet.
Stop playing hard to catch.
Ah!
No! I was waiting for you and I got smashed.
Oh my gosh. It's stressing me. I don't like being stressed.
Stop playing hard to catch.
Oh! Okay, go.
Why are you going there in the gun?
You'll never get away with this.
Oh no, I'm being pinned down. I'm starting from the beginning. Hold on. Otherwise, I'm like a half health. Go, 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 honey!
Never mind me.
Wait. No! Go! Go, go, go!
Can. Okay. What's this?
What?
What does this do?
Keep smacking it. Keep smacking it. Keep smacking it. Okay.
Now what?
What? Okay, now go. You go. I gotta dodge these nails. Okay. Oh. Hold on. Oh, there's a second one here. Oh.
Ah, is that how it is?
I'm rushing.
Oh, chicha! Ay!
Oh.
Don't die, don't die!
I'm trying, but you're a bit heavy-headed.
Yo, come on! Oh, there's checkpoint!
We can't let my friends die.
I got it!
No, no.
I'm here!
Yeah, wait, stay
Whoa,
alive.
whoa, whoa, whoa,
Dodge the nails. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. I'm coming. Okay. Okay, let's go together.
So
What is this?
scary!
Oh,
Oh, I have to go
hammer.
there.
And then I have to aim somehow. Okay. Okay. Ah! Okay, climb up the tower. Climb up the tower.
Hold on, nails. Climb up? What tower?
Yeah, yeah, here, this part, and then we jump over.
Where? How?
Oh.
Are you kidding me?
Double jump and dash. Honey.
This is ridiculously difficult.
Okay. Ah! Keep getting pinned.
Okay, okay, I'm here. Ah! This now we're safe. Okay, gotcha. Never mind this puzzles. Let's go.
Right there.
Stupid toolbox! I already hate you!
Oh no no wait! I got wrong. I got wrong. Oh, smash. Hold on. I need to get up and then A. Is that enough?
Come on, Cody.
Good one, Cody. Yeah, good. Finally! That's a boss, isn't it?
He looks cool though.
Oh.
Oh, now he's really out to kill us.
Yeah, what do we do?
Ah. Okay, I think it's my cue. Oh, so I have to pin the nails on the yellow parts of his arms, and then you jump on it, smack him.
Okay.
But dodging the nails first.
Yeah, it's easier than when
Okay.
he attacks.
Okay, go. No. Oh wait, I can pin his arm down there. Okay.
Yeah, I think so. Honey!
Okay, I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump. I died. Sorry.
Nah, it's alright.
So I have to pin his arm down there. Okay.
I think so.
Okay, it's a bit tricky.
Watch out! Got him, man.
Good. Now get
Go.
me to the other side.
Go, no, jump on the nails and then onto the platform. Honey.
What platform?
The platform
Oh!
there. Oh.
I get it now, sorry.
It's okay.
I can pin him again!
Don't jump yet. Okay.
Steady now.
Smash it.
Let those tools go.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. It's good. Oh no. Oh no!
What is this?
This toolbox is crazy.
Yeah, it is crazy.
Time I find the smaller one.
Oh, now he's okay. Now.
I don't know how I'm holding! I really don't know.
Good job, honey. Good job, honey.
What
Is
do
he
we do
gonna
now?
smack us? Okay, he's gonna do it again. He's gonna do it again with the arm pin. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Go.
Hold on tight.
Smack him.
Taste my skin,
Come on!
toolbox.
Yes. Let's go.
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Yeah?
Oh, one
No,
more.
no, 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 no. No! Now what? This looks
Oh,
scary.
we gotta smack
Yo,
him.
yo, yo, yo.
Smack the yellow part. Okay.
No. No, 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 please no. Okay, thank God. I'm still alive.
Okay.
Can
No.
we talk
No, no,
about
no.
this toolbox?
We're long past negotiating, Cody.
No. Oh, smack him now.
You have to go there. You have to go there.
Oh,
Okay, now we know.
okay. Okay.
Hit the spray can!
Oh.
Good on there, Cody.
I fell.
Oh.
Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die.
Oh. Oh.
May, you have a stupid hobby. I hate your hobby.
Hey, is he gonna stop? No.
Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die.
Yeah, I got it. Oh no, it's insecure, it's insecure. No, don't die.
I'm here. Come on, come on. One more.
No. Ah, it's blocked by the glass.
We're running out of real estate here!
Yeah. No, stop.
No.
Right where you are. Don't die. Please don't. Okay, I'm back.
Cody, hop on and finish off that spray can.
Oh, let's go.
Finally. Phew, such a stress.
Oh, wow.
Hi, guys.
I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. Ooh, it tickles. Ha! Yeah. There you go. Thank you. Woohoo! I feel great.
I don't.
No!
I'm
Look at
so
me.
tired.
I'm whole. You saved us from that rust and toolbox. Thank you, May. You are a true hero.
Oh, thank you, Hammer.
Hey, what about me? Huh?
You did
Our
nothing,
Stu, where's
Cody.
my hero love? See that explosion?
You just threw nails.
To get to Rose.
Oh, of course. Sebastian, can you help them out? They have to get to the other side.
What?
Whoa,
Wow.
flexible.
Step on
Flexible.
board.
Really?
Okay, you sure?
Come on, it's safe.
Okay. Ooh.
This doesn't feel safe. I'm not sure.
Just relax.
Okay.
Don't worry, he's very precise. Sebastian, sling it.
Oh no! She's leaving!
Rose,
After all that?
we need your help.
And then the book appears.
Mom and Dad! Don't close the door!
Yeah, I thought so.
Oh, help us out, Rose! Oh, you stupid book!
Oh, you've locked us in, you idiots!
Now we're stuck in here.
Stuckness is a mental construct. If you stare at the closed door, you will miss the one that's open.
Okay, FYI, there is only one door in this shed.
And one window.
Good thinking, man. Woo! Let's go to the window. Woo!
Oh my goodness.
Book is out of his mind, okay?
So yeah, I think thanks so much for watching this video. We really had to fight that book. Oh wait, not the book, the toolbox. See, I'm already tired. We're definitely gonna come back to this game, but as of now, thank you so much for watching this video. Put a big like to it, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!